All right, guys, today we are flying the drone out to Rincon Island. This is near Ventura, California, in the Pacific Ocean, and this is a man-made island we're going to go visit. Now, we get there by way of the Richfield Pier, which is actually closed to the public. That's why we're flying the drone instead of walking on it. But this pier is about 3,000 feet long, and it's a rather high pier, and the pier is strong enough for vehicles to drive on because it's an artificial island that was built by companies in order to have a base for drilling for gas and oil up out of the earth. But it's been closed down for several years at this point, and there's, again, no public access. Now, this island is about 2.3 acres, and it was built in about 50 feet of water and used to have tanks and equipment and all the things that you would need for drilling oil and gas. As we pan out and see the island and the pier together and the backdrop of the Pacific Coast Highway 101, it's a beautiful area. It's kind of interesting to have a man-made island out here, but there's a lot of drilling that goes on in this part of the state. So just look at those mountains in the background. It's really kind of sad. I can imagine this would be a great place for a restaurant or events to have parties. I don't know what they're going to do with it eventually, if they're going to dismantle everything. I hope they decide to do something that's beneficial for everything and everybody, but who knows. Anyway, if you're on the Pacific Coast Highway, just south of Santa Barbara, north of Los Angeles and Malibu, you can't really go out on it, but be aware that it's out here, and it's worth stopping to take a look. It's a very long pier and pretty cool. I hope you've enjoyed it. There's not really a lot to see from the shoreline, which is why I flew the drone, but it has several decades of history, and unfortunately some of the companies were not very good companies or had a hard time meeting the codes and the regulations, and so they had to shut down the drilling. So wherever you land on that, but I think it's a pretty cool location to film. As we fly back into the shore, you'll notice some residential housing along the highway. There's also a hotel out here, so beautiful area. Check it out. I hope you find it as interesting as I did, and that is some good stuff.